Checking of RAM size on every Android phone before you purchase it is one of the essential things you need to consider. And in this video, if you don't know how to check RAM size of a particular Android phone before you purchase it, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to simply check your RAM size before you purchase that particular phone. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tips about Android phone like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to the phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, click on the phone settings. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and then you have to make sure you locate storage center. So click on storage right here. Then take you to this particular page. So right now, this is the RAM of this particular phone. The RAM of this phone is just 1 gig. And the available RAM with this particular phone here is 410 megabytes. So basically, whatever phone you want to buy, this is how you get the RAM information of that particular phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.